Codegarden is back. And no global pandemic will stop us this time.
We've created a very special Codegarden for you, where you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show from the comfort of your home.
Whether you're a business owner, a developer, or on the creative side, there's something for everyone.
The program is packed with amazing talks and sessions. We're bringing you the best speakers in the business, including those who work and make solutions for Umbraco every day.
Tune in to see who gets the Umbraco Awards, the MVP Awards, and the Package Awards.
And get exclusive updates from Umbraco that has never been seen before.
We've made sure that you get to interact with your peers, ask questions, and other virtual opportunities to meet and greet. Get your tickets now.
And see you at Codegarden.